Hey everyone, it's Gloria Hester here, and today I wanted to talk with you about meditation. I just wanted to share with you that I know so many people make meditation complicated. They make it a big deal. People think that they can't do it. They'll tell me that they've tried to meditate and that they're just not good at it. So I just wanted to make a quick video to share with you that if when you wake up in the mornings, if you just set a timer for 5 minutes and you sit, you have already won the day. And so some other things you can do to help you, learn the art and technique of meditation, just the practice, is just to sit. And if you can sit in silence, and if you can sit in a posture where your spine is comfortable and your spine is straight, even better. If you can sit in an environment where you can limit distractions, even better. If you can give your mind something to focus on. So many people say, I can't clear my mind. And that's not really the goal of meditation. The goal is just to create awareness. So if you can give your mind a focal point, so you can focus on every exhalation, just having a complete exhalation, then that's another thing that's going to help you to be able to meditate and to get into that space. So just remember, if you're sitting with your spine tall in a comfortable posture and you're in a quiet environment and you can give your mind something to focus on, you're there. So you can pick a spot to put your gaze, to fix your gaze on, or you can just simply focus on your breath. And then the last thing is just to have compassion with yourself. So of course your mind is going to wander. That's natural. You just want to bring your awareness to the fact that your mind has wandered into thoughts, and then just bring your focal point back to your breath or back to a spot where you've decided to fix your gaze. So I hope this is helpful. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you all soon.